Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Valorant and the Riot client so settings and files update cleanly. Now launch Valorant and go straight to Settings video to see current resolution and display mode. You need that baseline. Once done, note whether you use full screen, windowed, or borderless and write down the exact resolution values. This guides the next steps. Make sure to have admin rights if you will edit config files or use launch options, because permission issues prevent changes from sticking. You now change the in-game settings. Choose full screen for consistent scaling and lower input lag. Windowed or borderless can crop or center incorrectly. If your monitor is 1920 x 1080, select that exact value. Mismatched aspect ratios cause black bars or stretching. Once done, test changing to borderless, then back to full screen if the UI looks off, because the game sometimes resets scaling. If in-game options fail, add launch parameters, or finish by saving settings and restarting Valorant so changes apply. Make sure GPU scaling is disabled and Windows display scaling is 100% to avoid UI stretching. Drivers should be current. Once done, verify the resolution in-game matches your monitor and test a match or custom game. If problems persist, reset the config file or run Valorant as administrator, then use the Riot client verify integrity option. A key troubleshooting tip: if the screen is black or cropped, revert display mode to windowed, restart, then reapply full screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.